Good morning, students. Welcome to the winter 2021. Hopefully, we can take care of that COVID-19 that really has been harming our community. I'm your instructor, Osama or Sam Al-Khalili, and I've been doing teaching Access since actually started in 1998. Microsoft Access was first revealed in 1998 to kind of manage your informations and also do some calculations. So Microsoft Access is not a software to do calculations or finance or any other analytics numbers. It's actually a database to manage inventory, manage staff, manage employees, manage customers, so and manage any items you might want to manage, and I will probably share that information with you. As you can see, the class is in progress. So welcome to winter 2021, and then I'm very happy to teach your class again and give you a little bit of background about me. Since 1998 when the program has started, I became very efficient with it. I've developed databases to California statewide, the MESA program, community colleges, and also for Fresno State Unified School Districts. And I've been also doing it for our Highline College, like our BSTEC academic plan database. I've done that, and I have quite a few programs on campus for the Highline College Advisory Committee and the Highline College Club, and also budgets. So I helped them with those. I did not create them, I just helped them. I do have side business that I also develop databases for local businesses as well. Anyways, this is our this is our class. This is our syllabus. I probably should put the class in here, classroom probably. Let me pause it and I'll go ahead and add it in here. So I just added that class. This is that class Zoom that we're gonna meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays if you are taking that class virtually. But if you've taken it online, you are very welcome to drop in anytime you want if you have questions. We'll probably do in the classes mainly go over this the essential information in the textbooks, because for some of you, Access is not an easy topic, even though I love it, but for other ones to just embrace it, which is, I love that program anyways. So required textbooks is everything is online. If you have the Cengage, oops, there's also another error here. If you have a Cengage prescriptions or subscriptions, you should be fine. You should just access it from Canvas. You don't have to add it to your dashboard. It's automatically added to your dashboard after when you log in on Canvas, and we'll show you that information as well. These are the prices. I'm hoping I'm correct. It's $180 for the 1 year. It's also, they have $120 for 1 quarter, which I really don't advise you to do that, especially if you are in you're beginning your college, or if you're doing one of the BSTEC programs. I highly advise you to do either the 12 months or 24 month subscriptions, and all those can be purchased from the Highline Bookstore. Again, you need a good supportive computer, and if you need any other data files will be in that program anyways. The data files will be on Canvas as well. So this is about Cengage Ultimate. If you can click on that link, it will take you right to it. The electronic textbooks, or the textbooks, has 8 modules we can actually work with, and that's what they are. I have videos from 2016 that I made them available for you. I don't think there are much differences between 2016 and 2019, at least not on your level, or our level I should say. It's more advanced changes if you're gonna go a little more advanced queries or advanced reports. And regardless, so far these are the chapters. I've been going through the chapter in detail throughout the quarter, just to make sure you have there's nothing that you need to watch out for. Otherwise, those videos should cover everything in this textbook, even though it's 2016. Course objectives. You need again the Office 2019 Ultimate. If you have the Home Edition, Highline College provides you this particular software for free, and there's a link. I will share those links with you to allow you to download this software for free. But you have to uninstall your existing software on campus because on your computer, because you might have a conflict between the paid version, the one that came with your computer, and the free version, the one that Highline College is providing to you. If you are Access students, please provide me that information right away to accommodate you if you don't know what I'm talking about, and if you need help taking the assessments, or we probably prefer them as a test. Let me know so I can refer you to. We can have a conversation. I will assess you first. Then, if this is true, then I'll refer you to the access services that the Highline College in order to accommodate you. This honesty, there's a college has been working really hard and creating a language for dishonest students, and I'm actually meeting with them today regarding what actions, what processes they have to take if the students that get caught. Another thing about me, since I'm a programmer, I go into the codes if I wanted to, if I suspect any students are cheating. Okay. Example of cheaters, you can do that on your own. Grading, I do accept late assignments, but I will take points off for each assignment that's being late until 30 days from that point, and I will not count it with automatically zeros. So if you turn in a late assignment, you'll get partial credits, and I will provide you a rubrics of how I'm grading your assignments. So I will hide the names when I grade the assignments. I do not see who I'm grading for, and I'll just provide it to you when it's done. Attended drop policy, you can disregard that. If you come to the virtual class, it's awesome. If you're online students, don't worry about it. I'm only there to help you understand what we're doing in that class. Final project, that's something I will keep talking about. For the end of the quarter, the final project could be a group of 1 or 2 people. And I think the class is growing. I might allow 3 people if the class is over 21 students. So far, it's leveled at 19. The final project is about something you wanted to manage. I'll provide you examples. I'll provide you probably data files. You want to follow my data files. We'll talk about the final project within 4 or 5 weeks from now. The grading scales, there are 8 assignments, 8 module assignment. This is actually done on SAM. There are 20 points each. And case problems is from for the end of the chapter, or case or review assignments. They're worth 50 points each. Discussions, everybody is required to do discussion, whether you are virtual or online. They're 10 points each. Project assessment, there are 4 project assessment. Every 2 modules there is 1, and the project assessment there are actually time limit within 24 to 48 hours. Usually the students can do it in 60 to 60 minutes, between 60 minutes and 3 hours, but I'm giving you 24 hours to 48 hours to complete the project. Participation, again, online participation is 50 points. Final project presentation or final project, if you I usually do presentation, but since we're doing COVID, I'm not going to do presentation. Here we go, it's gone. Just the final project is 50 points right there. Grading scale, so if you grade between 95 and 100, you get 4.0, and let's go down this way. We as a BSTEC, or a lot of the programs, they require 2.0 to pass the class. So the 75% is the least that we accept to pass the class. However, some other programs, they probably will take less than that. So minimum acceptance is 1.5, I think, or some classes that probably require that. Okay, and this is the tentative schedule. I'm usually follow it closely, but sometimes things happens. So we'll go ahead and change things as we see it fit. Here is the essential dates that you need to be aware of. Okay, this is about the syllabus. I think I'm gonna go over the Canvas now. Once you log into your Canvas and log into your class, you see my beautiful picture right there. I really trimmed my beard today. You can see a little bit difference in my beard. I probably go that style. I like that style. I'm an outdoor type of person. I like to hike and be out there. I like the nature. That's why you see a lot of Eddie Bauer gears on me. Anyways, this is the first thing you come into the class. That class went on a complete overhaul in a ways that I'm presenting it. Because the COVID kind of was a blessing in disguise and making us do things a little bit different. So when you come into the class, you see your assignment on the right, the class introduction, the first assignments, and chapter 1. And again, you need to be aware of there are assignments with SAM or the Cengage online textbook. And if you are using one of the college computers, which is the Chrome, you cannot use Access, you still can use Access at the Highline College, and probably we'll go over that in a little later on. But I gave you a video here how to do the Access through Highline College. Actually, we use Dreamweaver. That's when I did the web design last quarter, but it's probably the same kind of concepts in a way you can access the college and you access your class Access instead of the Dreamweaver. Again, this is the link for the class if you're interested. Oh, hold on. This is the link for my office hours. I apologize. And this is the link for the class. And the welcome video, the one I'm doing right now, will be right here. So when you go to your class in here, modules, this is the, download the Microsoft Office 365. I'm a little bit thrown off because this one's not supposed to be here. I will remove it later. So here is Access Cengage. I'll have to get out of this view to show you how the Cengage is done. And again, the dashboard, if you don't have, I will add a video. If you don't have the Cengage, you have to create an account. I'll show you. So if I do this first, you can buy it from Cengage. But you have to create an account first. It's not gonna recognize me. Then you have to create an account. Students, of course, put your email, Highline email address. I'm not gonna do mine because let me use I'm gonna use some hocus pocus kind of email. Okay, this is not my email, but I'm using that for instance. Put your full name and so on. You understand? You go next, and you processes. You do have 14 days trial for that class, but when the trial is run out, you do have to actually buy it. Okay, so please do that. So back to modules. Technical support, you cannot do this. You want to buy, you have issues with Access Cengage, then you contact them directly from here. They're excellent in getting back to you. Cengage Ultimate Deal, that one I showed you. Let me share with you what that is. So you come right here. This is the information you have to buy the Cengage for 1 quarter, 1 year, or 2 years. These are the classes we're actually using at the college now. That uses Cengage. So for 1 prescription, you can get those. I know some accounting classes uses it. Some business classes uses it as well. You can buy directly from Cengage. By clicking right here, will take you directly. I can buy it here if you're interested. Or you can, and it's 7 days now instead of 14 days. I'm sorry, I thought it was 14 days. At any rate. So make sure you prescribe more than 1 quarter. That would be my recommendation. Anyways, okay, this is my office hours. This is the one you saw earlier, right here. I shared with you at the very beginning of the book. You need to download the data files. These are the data files from chapter 1 to chapter 4 in order to use this. Don't be confused because those data files has 1 file for the entire 4 chapters because you are built in on them. Okay, so don't be I don't have that. But what you need to do, they provide you like the Excel files, they provide you the images files. that also to use them for the different chapters. Okay, this is the videos for from the previous classes. I think they are still pretty essentials. I have checked the first couple modules. It looks pretty much the same, so I'm not gonna create a video for those because they're still there, except the files will be a little bit different. This is the syllabus again. I can see the syllabus in many different ways. This is first assignment, class introductions. Class introductions, you need to have one post and 2 reply posts for 2 other posts. Otherwise, you will not get the full grades. And this is the module SAM training. Let me get out of this. I'm gonna pause, get out of this, and I'll show you how the book, the digital book, and the SAM really works. Okay, so this is my view, so don't worry about this. This is the welcome page with the welcome video. You're going to be seeing this end. This class evaluation will be the end of the quarter. So when you see the green ones, that's when it's available. When those blank dots, it's not available yet, but will be available sometimes this quarter. Anyways, so now if I want to access the electronic textbooks, it will allow me to, just by doing that, because now I'm an instructor. It's going to open up. It might take a little while, depends on your speed. I'm going to pause until it comes up. Okay, it come up. So this is the entire access textbook. If you want to just go through it. However, I created a link for each chapter right from that weekly processes. Okay, so that's gonna make things easier on you. Again, you can see what you need to read, and this is the SAM training and the SAM text project. You really don't, I'm not asking you to do this. The SAM training is actually part of the learning process. Let me explain to you. I'll show you. I know this, it's gonna take a little longer than I wanted. So click on start, and you might have hear an audio from the system.
The Form Wizard guides you through the process of creating a new form, which saves time and effort in creating a form that suits your needs.
So
click the Create tab.
So this is the observe or walk you. This is the video what's gonna happen.
The buttons that help you create new objects are displayed on the Create tab.
And you can do practices.
In the Forms group, click the Form Wizard.
The practices actually
the Form Wizard guides you through the process of creating a new form, which saves time and effort in creating a form that suits your needs.
Okay, so
click the Create tab.
All right, I'm a little bit faster than that, but it's fine. You can follow the instructions.
The buttons that help you create new objects are displayed on the Create tab.
So I highly advise you to do this.
In the Forms group, click the Form Wizard button.
So I click the Form Wizard button.
The Form Wizard starts and prompts you for the table or query on which to build the new form.
Okay, or you can click on Apply. And Apply is actually, it's part of the assessment. I did not implement in this and because I would still want you to feel more personal with this, because I don't want the program actually auto-grade your assignments. Okay, I want to grade your assignments. I just want to feel how you understand the course. So, but again, this is for you here. This is the instructions, and you follow it. Please do those trainings because it's extremely essential for you to understand the program and also to watch the videos as well. So download the data files again for the first zip folders here. Here to take you directly to the first chapter or module 1. Here is my videos. You want to watch it, I break them up this way as well. Again, they're look a lot similar to what the book is. I've not done any announcement yet. I will do it and I'll share it with you. So here is the class. Here's what we're expecting. Please contact me when you have it. You have any questions, and you can come to my office hours. Again, my office hours is a little bit different this quarter. Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays and Fridays from 10 to 10:50. Thursdays from 9 to 9:50. The reason why, because I have a meeting every Thursday almost from 10 to 11. I'm very much looking forward to be working with you folks. I think we're going to have a great time in this class and very rewarding for you and for me. Bye bye.